So guys, here is a quick alpha that will cost you just 1 minute of your time. So this incentive, they raised $26 million in funding, and also this public AI, the airdrop, we have a new update about it where you have to register your language in any of these tags. As you can see, the reward for these tags, 100 USDT and 1,000 points to earn for every participant that will be participating in these tags. So what you need to do here is to join the language that you are going to use to perform these tags: English audio collection, Chinese audio, Spanish, Japanese, Thai audio, Korean, German, and Arabic. So depending on which country that you fall to, which of these country you are participating from, then you'll be able to join this task on public AI data. So now, first thing first, to just explain this social incentive airdrop. This is a very simple airdrop. You'll be joining from the registration link. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. If you haven't registered, just proceed and paste the link in your wallet, in your browser rather, then follow on X. To follow on X, you have to connect your X account. So the moment you click on follow on X, you'll be able to see the pop-up to connect. So you'll be able to see the pop-up to connect your X. Then you follow. Then you join their Discord, authorize Discord. What's it called? You authorize the Discord connection. Then you join, verify on your Discord. Like, you have to verify the human role. Then these tags are accordingly. If you don't follow on X, you'll not be able to join Discord. And if you don't join Discord, you'll not be able to join Telegram. So you follow the tags accordingly. So in nutshell, remember to enter the submit email. You enter your mail and click on forward arrow. Then here you claim the badge, the early badge. This is the first thing you are doing here. So once you click on claim badge, you have automatically claimed the badge since you have allow your X and Discord account. So subsequently, there will be testnet task for this incentive, social incentive airdrop. There will be testnet tax. So first thing first is to claim this early badge, which is the early adopter, like the early user. I think this will warrant extra reward for those that will be claiming this early badge. Remember, I said they raised $26 million in funding as at the time of making this video. So check the registration link to complete this 4 tasks, and that's all. It will only take 1 minute of your time. So now back to the public AI update. If you haven't signed up on public AI, you sign up, and it's a DP. You sign up and connect your account. You connect your X and all of that. So this is it. This is the home page of the public AI. Here you connect your account, you connect your X account to sign up. This is not a DP, rather. It's not a DP, don't mind me. So you connect your X account to start farming. Then on the home page, come to this, you are seeing mission, you are seeing upload, you are seeing vote, you are seeing dashboard. They have social tags you have to do to earn rewards. And also, this is their home page, data hunter. The moment you reply, if you connect your X account and you reply on X using this public AI AI response, if you reply on X, if I click on earn more, I think at the moment the AI response is currently paused. I don't know why, but I think it's currently paused. Maybe they will enable it later. You reply on X, and by doing that, you earn more rewards. If you allow the AI to reply on any post that is greater than 1,000 views, you're seeing this 6.6k views. If I click on this reply to this crypto.com, you are seeing AI. This is Spark Chain AI, and this is the public AI. You can see the public AI is currently paused. So if I want to reply now, I'll be able to select replying between this Sparkchain AI. This is another AI airdrop. This Sparkchain AI, this particular one my arrow is on, is Sparkchain AI, and it's another airdrop on its own. And this is the public AI on its own, which is the AI response pawns that you're seeing here. So if you're just signing up, you might check if your AI response is not paused. You will reply on X. If you respond to any view, any post that has more than 1,000 views, then you'll be able to enable this AI reply. Then you reply and send the reply. Then here they will add more points for you just by sending the reply. This is the public AI. You earn more. If you click on this earn more, you reply, and that's all. Let's see. Okay, I'm trying to confirm because it's been a while I did this airdrop. I want to confirm if there is any extension for this public AI. If there is an extension, that means it's a DPIN. Let me check my extension wallet. Okay. Well, it's a DPIN, guys. This is the extension. So I'll be dropping the extension link in the description box of this video. This is the extension. You first of all download the extension, then activate the mining, the connection. Then you can click on earn more from the extension to reply to the Twitter post using the AI reply, and you earn more points. So that's how to farm the points for this public AI. If you are just signing up, I've just explained how to farm. Download the extension. Click on earn more to allow the AI to reply on Twitter post after you must have connected your X account. You connect your X account, you connect your Discord, you connect everything, your socials, so that you'll be able to earn. So now you come to this upload. From this upload, I mistakenly registered for this French audio collection. I don't know how to exit this one because I don't understand French. So if you click on live, you'll be able to participate with your understand the language that you understand. You see Arabic audio, German audio, Korean audio, Thai audio, Japanese, Spanish, Chinese, English. If I click on this English, I'll click on start task. Then difficulty easy. The task will end by June 1st. Then audio target. Your voice can contribute to the advancement of AI speech synthesis. We are collecting high quality voice recording to enhance AI ability to generate more natural and expressive speech in real-world application. Follow the guide below to submit your voice data and help improve AI voice technology. So you can if I click on apply to start, so I'll click on go to collect. Let's see what the go to. I would like to hear more about this plot. Does it involve around Robert Downey Jr. as a weapon dealer? You mentioned he was trying to sell. Okay. Click the button to start recording. So what you do here is to record your voice. Set up your space. Find a quiet spot with no background noise. This is how to complete the task. Find a quiet spot with no background noise, no fans, no pets or traffic. Pick a style. Conventional dialogue. Chat casually as if you are talking to a friend. Speech/presentation. Present the text confidently with clear pronunciation and energy. Like what I'm doing, the way I'm recording this video, I can decide to be saying the same thing and click on start recording, and it will start recording. You see, speak naturally, use your everyday voice. Don't force it or sound like a robot. Keep the volume steadily, not too soft, not shouting. So you read the guideline here. Check your work, practice reading. So you check the moment I click on this start button, I can start recording, and after I'm done, I will submit, and that's all. So this is how to complete the task. for this what's it called, this public AI airdrop. So the moment I record, I can now submit. Then I think at the end of the submission, they will rate your recording and see how much you can earn. But I think the earnings is capped at $100, which is the 100 USDT, and 1,000 points that you are saying. So you can only perform one task except you are a multilinguist. That is, you understand more than one languages. But if you are a bilinguist, then you can only do one task if one task is if one language is the only thing you understand. So guys, this is how to complete the public AI task. You earn reward. This is excluding the one the points you are earning from the airdrop farming itself. This $100 task is different. It's not associated with the airdrop farming. So it's an additional reward that you're going to earn if you complete this task accurately. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out my back-to-back update. Check the registration links in the description box of this video for this public AI and this social incentive airdrops. Sign up, complete your task, and await subsequent updates on each of these airdrop in further videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.